Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, November 28th, 2022.
Please join it. Please stand for the pledges to the flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 66 degrees and a low of 37 degrees.
Wow. Today's lunch options are mac and cheese, buffalo ranch chicken salad, or a chicken sandwich. It's two things with chicken in it.
Today in history, in 1893, New Zealand was the first country to allow women the right to vote.
Wow, that's great. So cute, I can't. Birdwatchers have been flocking to Texas over the last few months to lay eyes on the country's first ever recorded bat falcon. What is that? A bird that can normally only be seen in Mexico and Central and South America. As of early February, about 400 birders have come to the area since the first sighting of the falcon. What does that look like?
Now here's Ellie for Bet You Didn't Know.
Woo!
Believe it or not, peanuts are not nuts. They are part of the legumes family.
Wow.
Now for weird but true. The first candy canes were made without stripes.
Wow.
That does not make sense. Now here's Gracie and Archer for the joke of the day.
Hey Archer, what do elves learn at school?
I don't know what.
The alphabet. That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Bailey.
And I'm Carter. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bump it up, bump, 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 bump. See you next time.